What's up everybody, Lucky Scotch here. Today's video we're going to be going over in what is my opinion the first thing that you should buy to upgrade when you have a Mini GS or an Axe 2.0. This is going to be a little bit of an unboxing video, so we'll get these packages opened up and we'll show you guys what we got. So the first package we got here comes from PB Sports. This is the Inception Designs Axe 2.0 Mini GS Power Barrel Back. So basically, this will replace your factory barrel back and allow you to still utilize your factory color matched barrel tip, but it gives you the option to put the power inserts in there. And the power inserts you can purchase from, I believe, Planet Eclipse, dye ultralight inserts will fit this, and the carbon power inserts I believe will also fit this. So here it is. Pretty basic, nothing too fancy. So here's our axe with the original barrel on here. We'll pop this off real quick. Remove the original barrel back. And I believe, yeah, that's the front right there. So it looks just like the original barrel. I'll stick this back on here just temporarily. I've got one more package to open up and then we can go over the rest of this. Alright, so obviously with an insert system you have to have inserts to be able to use it. And like I said, that one will accept any of the power inserts made by any of the brands that make them. So you're looking at the dye ultralight inserts, carbon inserts, or Planet Eclipse. I went ahead and ordered up some of the dye ultralight ones. I got the 686 and the 684. These are two sizes that we typically run very often. I'll pop one of these open real quick. This is the 684. Got all your information on there. I'll slide this into the barrel back real quick. Alright. So just like that. And now you have your same color matched barrel tip that comes factory with your gun, but now you have an insert system so you can properly size your paint, and it'll definitely improve your accuracy. As far as I know, right now these barrel backs are only offered in the dust black color option. I believe they've only been out for a little over a month now, so I'm sure at some point they will make more colors, because Empire likes to do two-tone barrels to match their two-tone guns. So I believe at some point eventually they will probably have more color options for this barrel back. But one more thing that is nice about this is it increases your barrel length from 14 inches up to 15 inches. So you keep your same tip, your same color match, but you're increasing the overall length and you're improving the accuracy by adding inserts. And then another thing that I noticed about this barrel back compared to the factory one, which I really like, here's our factory barrel back, here's our insert one. Notice the difference in the O-rings on there. Your factory one has a really thin, narrow O-ring. This one's got really nice, chunky, thick O-rings that make a really positive seal when you tighten this thing down. So that's one thing that I noticed that I do really like about this barrel back so far. Putting the tip on there, you get a really positive seal, and then screwing it into the gun, it feels really nice and solid compared to the original barrel with the original O-ring. Alright, we're going to do a quick comparison Right now I've got the factory 688 barrel back on here. I'll run a few rounds through it. I'm running the Empire paint that sized out at 684. So here's a few rounds of that, and then we'll switch it over to the insert barrel back and we'll see how much of a difference it makes. Alright, I swapped the target around, so hopefully you'll be able to see a fresh grouping pattern. This is the power insert barrel with a 684 insert. We'll see how much of a difference this made. Pretty nice grouping. So bring this back inside, and I got a couple more things I want to go over real quick. So does it make a big difference or not? It's a little bit difficult to tell because I've only got about 25 feet between me and the target here at home, so the grouping isn't going to differentiate too terribly much, but just from that short little comparison that I did there, I did notice that the grouping was a little bit nicer with the proper insert in there. So I'm going to say yes, this is definitely going to improve your accuracy and it is going to improve your gameplay. But overall, I think that Inception Designs really knocked it out of the park with this one. They gave us a budget-friendly option that we can put on the Mini GS or the Axe 2.0. It allows you to put inserts in your factory barrel tip so you can maintain your color match. You get an increase of 1 inch overall length. And they've got those really nice upgraded O-rings that I mentioned earlier. So all those things are big thumbs ups in my book. So at some point I will bring this out to a better shooting range where there's more distance between me and the target. That way I can get a better comparison video for you guys on the difference in accuracy between a properly sized barrel insert and just a factory barrel back. But in the meantime, if you guys liked what you saw in this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.